I'd like to try these requested songs. This goes to our friends over there.
Hey. There's some friends out here as Romel once again for you.
Yes, Michelle
Still hot.
and friends. Thank you so much for coming over tonight. Okay, I'd like to try this one. She is gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so unsure. I can't live without your love. In my life, there's just an empty space. Oh, my dreams are lost. I'm wasting away. Forgive me, go. She is gone out of my life. Oh, she is gone. I find it so hard to go on. I really miss that girl, my love. Into my arms, I'm so alone. I'm begging you, I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, go.
Can you
Michelle, thank you so much for requesting that song.